Hello friends, reactions in solutions, mass percent or weight percent, W by W percentage, unit 1, some basic concepts of chemistry of class 11 and also it is a part of class 12. So subscribe the channel for more updates, like and share videos. Reactions in solutions, this is our topic today to be discussed. A majority of reactions in the laboratories are carried out in solutions. So generally, whatever the reactions we carry out in laboratories, only in solutions. So it is important to understand as how the amount of substance is expressed when it is present in the form of solution. So this is the main important line of the concept. So it is important to understand as how the amount of substance is expressed in the form of the solution. Suppose I came to your house for the purpose of visit with my friend. So I and my friend both came to your house. Both were offered sugar solution. Okay. So my friend felt that less sweet. I felt that more sweet. Sweetness is high in the case of my sugar solution. Okay. But both cases 100 ml and 100 ml. So then where is the difference? The quantity is same, 100 ml and 100 ml we were offered, but the sweetness is different. So what is the reason behind this one? The reason you only know. You means who offered the sugar solution, they know the reason, because they took the same amount of the water, 100 ml. Okay, but they didn't dissolve the same amount of sugar in two cases. They dissolved some x grams of the sugar in one case, they dissolved y grams of the sugar in other case, but the volume is same, 100 ml, but the amount of sugar dissolved in the water is different. Automatically sweetness depends on the amount of the sugar. As the amount of sugar increases, sweetness increases. As the amount of sugar decreases, sweetness decreases. Okay, but you only know, I don't know, because you only offered, we were offered by you. So this is called the concentration, how to express. So always this is very important to understand the amount of substance in the form of a solution. Okay, now we will see. The concentration of a solution or the amount of a substance present in its given volume can be expressed in any of the following ways. Actually, there are many number of ways to express the concentration of a solution. Concentration of a solution means always the amount of substance present in its given volume. For example, I offer you sugar solution. So concentration of a sugar means here sweetness, sweet or high sweet or sweet or less sweetness. So it is indirectly telling that the amount of substance present in its given volume. That is very important. That means what is the amount of sugar is dissolved in the water, in the fixed volume of the water. So that is very important, because that sweetness or the concentration of the solution depends on the sugar, the amount of the sugar. Okay, so the concentration of a solution or the amount of a substance present in its given volume can be expressed in any of the following ways. There are many ways expression. So in this discussion we will see only 4 ways. We will discuss only 4 ways. This is your syllabus up to the 11th standard. First one, this is one way, mass percent or weight percent represented with W by W percentage. First one is small w, second one capital, this is the small and this is the capital percentage. This is one way. Second one, molarity. Third one, molality. Fourth one, mole fraction. So we will discuss one by one now. Basic idea. Solution equal to solute plus solvent. Solute minor amount and solvent is a major amount. All of you know this is the basic idea. Always remember solute and solvent. Solute means which is dissolved. Okay, solvent means in which the solute is dissolved. That is the difference. Simply minor solute, major amount solvent. Solute plus solvent equal to solution. You should know this is the basic idea. This is basic idea about the solution. Clear? Next, first way. We are going to discuss the first way. Mass percent or weight percent is represented by W by W percentage. Now we will see what is the meaning first. Mass percent or weight percent. Percent means 100 out of 100. Yes, this is the formula. Mass percent equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. So take the laser pointer. Mass percent of the solute. Actually this mass percent always represents of the solute only. Mass percent of the solute equal to mass of the solute by mass of the solution. There is no solvent here. Solute and solution into 100. This is the direct formula. Clear? What is the simple definition? Weight of solute in grams present in 100 grams of solution. For example, if you are given a 100 gram of solution, directly 100 gram of sugar solution, actually we measure the solution in terms of the liters or ml, but here sometimes if I measure in terms of the grams. So if you were given 100 grams of sugar solution, then what is the weight of the sugar or solute in grams present in that 100 gram of solution? That is called mass percent. Okay, very simply formula is given here, and this is the definition. Weight of solute in gram present in 100 gram of solution. Try to understand. First question, look at the question, then you can understand. A solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of a substance A to 18 gram of water. So here 2 gram of a substance A is there, adding to 18 gram of water. So 2 gram A is less quantity. So this is the solute. 18 gram of water is the solvent. If you add, you will get the solution. 2 plus 18, 20. Calculate the mass percent of the solute. This is the answer. Mass percent of A. Why I am calculating A? Not B, because A is the minor amount or less amount. 2 grams of A. So it is your solute. So mass percent of A or mass percent of the solute equal to mass of A by mass of the solution into 100. What is the A? 2 by mass of solution, not 18, because you are adding 2 grams to the 18 gram. So now total mass equal to 2 plus 18 equal to 20 grams. So 2 by 20 into 100, you will get 10%. Isn't it? Next. Next note, W by W percentage equal to, students, this note is very important. Meaning is very important. Yes, W by W percentage equal to, for example, X percentage. X percentage, weight by weight percentage equal to X percentage. Means X grams of solute is present in 100 grams of solution. This is the meaning. Focus on the meaning. Don't by heart. Okay, try to understand what is the meaning of the statement has been placed here. W by W percentage equal to X percentage means X percentage means always X grams represents, that number represents grams of the solute is present in percentage is there already 100 grams of this solution. This is the meaning of the statement. Okay. So weight of the solute equal to X grams. And what about the weight of the solution? 100 grams. Weight of the solvent equal to 100 minus X grams. This is very, very important for further calculations. Weight of the solute equal to X grams. When X gram of the solute is present in 100 grams of the solution, so then weight of the solvent equal to 100 minus X, 100 minus X grams. For example, if it is 4%, then weight of the solute equal to 4 grams. Weight of the solvent equal to 100 minus 4, you will get 96 grams of the solvent. So this is the meaning of the statements. Okay. So statements are very, very important. So you should focus on the meaning of the statement. Don't by heart the statements. Try to understand what is the meaning. Next is given very clear cut. 4% W by W of aqua NaOH solution means. Directly statement will be given to you in your exam. 4% W by W of aqua NaOH solution means aqueous NaOH means NaOH, sodium hydroxide, is dissolved in water. Aqua represents water. So sodium NaOH is dissolved in water. Aqua always represents this is a solvent. So this is your solute. Sodium hydroxide is your solute, but aqua means water is your solvent. Here water is the solvent. So means that 4 grams of NaOH is present in 100 grams of the solution. 100 grams of the solution. But what is mentioned here? 4 grams of NaOH is present in, what is the weight of the solvent? 100 minus 4. So you will get 96 grams of water is correct answer. Otherwise, present in 100 grams of solution, that is also correct. Okay. So here I defined with respect to the solution. Here it is defined with respect to the solvent. Clear? 5% is W by W percentage of aqua copper sulfate solution means 5 grams of copper sulfate is present in a 95 grams of water. I hope that you have understood. Aqua represents water. First question, 60 grams of sodium sulfate is present in 420 gram of water. Calculate a mass percentage of solute. That means by reading the statement, you have to decide which is solute and which is solvent. This is the task in front of you. Always find out the solute and solvent, then only you can solve the question. Second question, 5 gram of sodium chloride is present in 20 gram of aqueous NaCl solution. Calculate W by W percentage. So 2 questions are homework for you. Try to solve the questions, because solving questions are very, very important. Okay. By hearting formulas is different task. So always apply. Try to always applying the formula in right time. That is very, very important. If you can solve the problem, it means that you have understood the concept. If you fail to solve the problem, means you couldn't understand the concept. Okay. So meanings are very, very important. Once go through all the meanings which have been placed here. Just do hard work. Okay, thank you for watching my video.